This is the trading review for Wednesday, the 18th of October 2023. And we had Tesla, of course, and it was an inside day with bullish pivots. Why does it seem like that's not the case? Okay, because these pivots are way wider. Okay, so we indeed have bullish pivots. And the price action seemed to respect S2. So I was looking for either a long right off the bat or a short for a failure of S3. Because we had value in the gray area, I expected to traverse back and forth from S3 to R3, but that's not what happened. I actually added the possible short from S3 as I realized that we had a perfect opportunity here for a short from S3 as the price action was very weak. We also had very weak level 2. So I waited, I didn't take it long. I should have taken it long on the engulfing of the 2 minutes candles. But I didn't because of the heavy bid, as you can see here. And then we saw some rejection of the high of the pre-market, which should have been my signal to enter short, but I didn't want to short from the gray area. Maybe I should have, especially with this possibility. So once price fell at the gray area and returned back to the open price, we were having more of an open action. But they actually ended up being an open like an open test drive, pretty much. We tested the top, but it was a long test, and we ended up selling off the entire day. I tried to make an entry here, I guess, at 950, which we had a nice hammer on the 5 minute, but the 2 minute was still a bit indecisive. You can see that we have a bit of support still here. So I got stopped out, but I think it was a fair trade to take. We had already rejected the open price. We pulled back. I noticed that we fell to push higher from the open price. We have some selling pressure here. So this was the last area of resistance that pushed down. So I made my entry here, perhaps a late anticipated, but I was expecting a strong reaction here. Once this candle closed, this could have been the better opportunity here on this doji. You can see the 5 minute candle close on a hammer. So an entry here could have been nice as well. But I made my entry here, partial, slightly below 2 to 1. So I recovered this loss and then ended up at 0.2, moved my stop loss to break even, but the price action just pulled back and weakened me out. It retested my entry at break even. It will have happened the same if I had the perfect entry here and then it run down, and at this point I couldn't really see an entry. Perhaps the entry should have been here for S4 at the breakdown of S3 for aiming S4 as a target. And then I didn't expect it to run so far down. We stalled at the previous day's range, but we actually run down to S6 and actually S3 on the monthly chart, or S2. So I couldn't take a reversal here. It was just too much selling, and if anything we just set value lower, but we kept running down. And it was a disappointing day in terms of luck because I made the right call. I understood the play for the day, but my execution let me down a little bit because those are blind spots in my strategies where a situation develops and I'm not exactly sure what to do, but I'm proud at least that I follow my rules. it's a bit frustrating, but ended the day positive. Had using pre-market analysis, take the stop losses, adapted to changing market conditions. At least we hit my goal today of taking only good trades. 100%, we took 2 trades, 1 and 1, which is okay. We ended up at 0.2R, which is okay considering that we were at a loss. And I just need to get this done. They're not trading. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so this trade, it was an failure. So X short, we respected. It was actually bearish, resulting in a loss, -1. We tried again. Yes, again, we still had a bearish, resulting in a win, 1.2. So it's gonna do right here, finishing our stat -1.10 and 1.2. Lucky to have got stop at given to have made and 3. So that's my data set. I need to make a new one. Data set 15. Not enough good data. Really, I keep messing up, taking bad trades, whether in the middle of the range or not as efficient. Not just simply not the perfect entry here. So I need to improve on that. I need to have a good data set when I follow my rules, but it's very complex. It's a very complex system, so it's making it very difficult. Well, it doesn't matter. That's it for my trading review. I missed out on a very nice run on Tesla on the way down, but this was a perfect opportunity to enter. You just need to be perfectly balanced mentally to take those opportunities when they appear.